chairman of committees, they are not there by merit. It is because maybe they are robots to some to orders from above, from the executive. Mr. Speaker, what I just want, because of time, to actually just read one thing, because we lost a colleague, and I'm actually mourning Senator Kabaka. And the last message Senator Kabaka wrote on our WhatsApp group, 3 hours before he started, before he went to hospital.
There is a point of order from Senator Farhia.
My time, hope Speaker, it will not.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I think we've been called puppets, we've been called robots. I think this allegation needs to be substantiated. Yes. Otherwise, I think that these people should withdraw and apologize to the House. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, I cannot substantiate the obvious. Anyway, Mr. Speaker, I want to read the last message Senator Kabaka wrote on our WhatsApp group.
Order. You know, don't just plow through. Let's make sure that your people are listening to what you are saying. And this is just a word of caution. Remember that we are sitting here as Senate. So whichever name you use, you cannot stand out of this Senate and appear like you are not part of the Senate. So if you say whatever, we are horses, we are cows, we are dogs, know that you are one of them. So let us be careful about what we are saying. Please wind up.
Thank you. I'm guided, Mr. Speaker. I want to read the last message Senator Kabaka wrote on our social group. That's why, so that I can plead with members. If we actually want Senator Kabaka to rest in peace, let's actually rest him in peace by granting him what he requested on our WhatsApp group. And I will read.
Order. You are out of order. You are out of order. Order, senators. Order, senators. You cannot use the misfortune that has befallen us, and we are still mourning our brother to say that. You are completely out of order. Order, senators, wind up. Time is up. Honorable senators. Your time is up. Senator, what's your point of order, Senator Kangata?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, it is now 17 minutes past 10.
Yeah.
Mr. Speaker, we shall vote